Hello everyone. Good morning.
It's a car.
So today is sunny. Smile. Today is sunny day, but it's really very cold. I can see the leaves already have a snow in there. And it's very nice.
Shake that tree.
Let's shake the tree and the snow will fall down. So this is the houses in beautiful sky.
A
Yeah, say hello everyone. You can see the squirrel is running down the gate. She wants to go inside the house. So she feels cold and it's very snowy, a little bit snowy in here. Wow. The leaves are frozen. The leaves are frozen. Good morning, good morning. It's very sunny day. Sunny day. Okay, we're going to the park. We're walking. Today is very good weather. It's a sunny day, but it's very cold.
Went to my bike.
Yes, so Stella wants to go to the park to run. Kasi ilang araw na po kami hindi naiinitan.
I like the park.
And she likes the park so much. So, wish granted, we're going to the park today. These trees, no more leaves. Pag summer to, napakalabong po ng mga dahon. Wala na po siyang dahon. Yan po, it's the trees, big trees. So, this is the park. Dito, marami pong Pilipina dito every afternoon. Yung tumakbo na po siya. Self-stay po niya kasi matagal na po kami hindi nakapunta dito. Dito po kami magpipiknik. So if you're a caregiver in Canada, this is a part of the job. Minsan mag-exercise. Dalhin namin sa park. Tapos yun, magdadala kami ng banig. Tapos mga pagkain like picnic. So this is Balaclava Park. Ito po ay naglalaro po sila ng football. On this side is track field. Dito pwedeng magtakbo-takbo dito. Okay, so this is the park. Yan, pwede pong tumakbo dito, mag-jogging. Galaw-galaw, exercise. So, this is the park. See, super ganda, super green. Yan, pag pupunta siya dito, ayaw na niyang umuwi. Ito yan, napakalaki po. Very green. The park, they have toilets. Yan, for playground for kids. There, yung mga bahay. Yan. It's just oval. Takbo-takbo tayo dito. Maganda po siya. It's nice place. Yun na si Stella. Hello, Stella! Yes, so dito po mga bata naglalaro. Masaya po dito pag summer kasi marami pong mga Pilipina. Magdala kami ng pagkain. Tapos yung mga bata pag-anuhin namin, magpa-contest kami. Kaya ang saya. Kaya lang ngayon is may COVID, so naputol yung aming picnic banding. Picnic banding. Yan. Hello. Ang ganda po ng paligid. Very blue. So nice. Oh. So maraming nag-exercise. Walking. Ganda po ng panahon ngayon. Very sunny. Minsan lang po ganito. Kaya lubos-lubusin na. Yay!
Call that.
Yeah.
What's down in the pig? Come here across the street.
Yan, pauwi na po kami. On the way home, we're done with our exercise for today. Home, sweetie home, sweetie home. Ganito po yung life ng caregiver sa Canada. Tumakbo na po siya.